When winter arrives, agencies need comprehensive road weather insights to operate efficiently and keep roads safe. Vaisala WxHorizon Premium, with data from Vaisala GroundCast sensors, can dramatically improve winter maintenance decision-making. With a simple subscription, your team gets detailed forecasts and insights on the condition of your road network. This solution is ideal for filling data gaps in existing networks and cost-effectively creating new ones. It provides situational awareness and critical information anywhere on your network, enabling better decision-making in an affordable way. The heart of the solution is WxHorizon Premium, a modern, easy-to-use software as a service. It provides the most important measurements with integrated forecasts and customizable alerts, so you and your team stay focused on targeting treatments where they're most needed. Vaisala GroundCast sensors can be easily installed anywhere on the road network to provide local data, even from locations that were previously not possible. They accurately measure key parameters affecting wintertime operations, enabling you to make proactive, data-driven treatment decisions all through a hassle-free subscription service. You can't control winter, but you can control your network and the partner you choose to help manage it.